Hello everyone, my name is Ana and today we're going to learn some Spanish. Ready? Okay, so as promised, today we're talking about the two basic verbs in Spanish, the most important verbs, the verb ser and the verb estar. Ser is the basic verb in Spanish that refers to permanent or long-lasting characteristics. And estar is the other basic verb in Spanish that refers to the location of an object or noun and can also refer to temporary characteristics. And the equivalent of these two verbs in Spanish is, in English, the verb to be. Let's conjugate these two verbs with the personal pronouns that we learned in the last video, okay? Let's conjugate the verb ser in present as follows. Yo soy, tú eres, él o ella es, nosotros o nosotras somos, ustedes son, ellos or ellas son. While the conjugation for the verb estar is yo estoy, tú estás, él or ella está, nosotros or nosotras estamos, ustedes están, ellos or ellas están. So let's make some examples. Here we have Diana. She is our subject. If we wanted to say that Diana is blonde in Spanish, according to the definition of the verb ser and the verb estar, we'll have to use Diana es, which is the verb ser in third person, rubia, that means the adjective in singular and feminine, as we are referring to some permanent or long-lasting characteristics of Diana, like being blonde. But if we want to say that Diana is at school, as we are referring to location, we'll have to use the verb estar, conjugated for her, Diana, as follows. Diana está en la escuela. Diana is at school. And also, if we wanted to say that Diana is tired, as tired refers to temporary characteristic, we'll have to use the verb estar as follows. Diana está cansada. Diana is tired. And finally, if we were, for example, talking not only about Diana, but about Diana and her friend Maria, we would say Diana and Maria are tired. Diana y María están cansadas. And also this can be resumed with the personal pronoun ellas. Ellas están cansadas. And of course, this idea can refer to all the combinations of the personal pronouns with the verb ser and estar with different gender and number and with different adjectives or different location. You can practice it with a lot of different situations that you can describe as temporary or long-lasting. So please think about some other examples from your daily life so that you can continue practicing. So for today, guys, I hope this lesson was so useful for you. Of course, if you like this video, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have some question or doubt, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye!